For many years, many of the species that roam our planet have been affected by overhunting. Overhunting is the activity of causing damage to the population of a species. There are causes and effects triggered from this activity. Here are some of the many causes that are still happening today. One of these is overpopulation. The human population has been growing rapidly for many years now and is estimated to be over 7 billion people worldwide as of today. Another cause is for food. Like animals, the human population has to be fed, and as a result, we hunt species for food like fish. A third cause is for resources. People demand for resources, and one species affected by this would be the elephants. As a result, causes can have major effects on these species. One effect of overhunting is the extinction of species. Reports from the World Wildlife Fund say that overhunting is responsible for 23% of extinctions. Animals are being forced into extinction by humans overconsuming them or killing them for resources. Fish are a type of species hunted for food, but can be affected if people hunt at a faster rate than the fish can reproduce. When more fish are caught than what the populations can reproduce, it's called overfishing. For the last 50 years, overfishing has been a problem because our populations have been increasing dramatically. The overpopulation of humans has caused demand for food to rise, which has caused more and more people to hunt for fish. Many fish species around the world are affected by overfishing, and if they continue to be affected, they could be extinct in the next few years. But many people don't rely on food for survival. They also rely on resources. Many species contain resources that us humans tend to use. One of these species happens to be the elephants. For over 30 years, the elephant population has been declining due to the ivory trade. Ivory is a creamy white substance used in the production of different types of objects, and the elephant's tusks are made out of it. The ivory trade began back in the 1800s, where an estimated 26 million elephants were thought to have roamed Africa. By the early 1900s, the ivory frenzy was happening, and by that time, an estimated 10 million elephants remained. Demand for ivory increased higher through the 20th century, and by 1989, elephants numbered only 600,000. By that time, actions were being taken, and by 1999, the elephant population began to recover, growing to about 1 million. But decisions in 2008 pushed the population back down again. In 2012 alone, 25,000 elephants were killed. As of today, the elephant population is still endangered and need as much help to increase their numbers. As you can see, overhunting causes many problems, and it is our responsibility to uphold this common good.